One of the things that I love as a homeschool mom is the freedom to teach my kids in a variety of ways. Hands-on learning definitely tops that list. And because of this, we love to take educational trips as often as we can. If your family is the same, then you're going to want to check out the Family Marine Biology Camp offered by Greg Landry of College Prep Science. Hi, I'm Christy from Homeschooling in Progress, and when it comes to hands-on learning, it's great to be able to step outside and let the world be your classroom. You can do that with the Family Marine Biology Camp. This camp, led by Greg Landry of College Prep Science, immerses your family in marine biology on Dauphin Island in Alabama. You'll learn right alongside your kids through activities like trawling for sea life, dolphin watching, and dissection. You'll have a chance to swim, go kayaking, and paddleboarding. You'll get to learn more about topics like ocean currents, tides, and navigation through hands-on labs. You'll also get the chance to enjoy a low-country seafood boil. The Family Marine Biology Camp is limited to 11 families of at least one parent and one child, ages 8 to 18. There's also a father-son marine biology camp offered for dads and their sons ages 10 through 18. Both of these camps offer private dorm-style bedrooms for each family. Everything is included in the fee. Your lodging, all of your meals and snacks, the activities, the labs, the materials used, even a boat ride. And if you're flying in, there's even transportation to and from the local airport. This camp is an amazing experience for your family, and it's a wonderful hands-on way for your high schoolers to earn a semester of science with lab credit. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can see the dates of their upcoming camps. But know that they are filling up quickly. So if your family loves hands-on learning and a chance to get outside and make the world your classroom, then definitely check out the Family Marine Biology Camp. Thanks for watching and happy homeschooling.